We would like to clarify persistent reports that former Speaker Martin Romualdez had purchased a house and lot in a plush subdivision in Makati City using the Discayas as front in the said sale. If verified to be true, this could possibly establish a direct connection between the former Speaker and the Discayas. In this regard, we may invite the former owner of the property to shed light. This is what I'm advising Senator Amy Marcos. Noise does not convict. Neither does it indict even who may be perceived as the most guilty in the FCP or flood control project saga. Only evidence does. Kaya kung meron siyang mayaambag na ebidensya para madiin ang kanyang pinsan, sumali siya sa pagdinig. Walang pipigil sa kanya at walang magbabawal sa sasabihin niya o gagawin niya.